Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how I use Canva to level up my small business. Canva has helped me to easily create beautiful graphics, marketing materials, thank you cards, thank you stickers, even my logo. So many different ways I have used Canva. I can design basically everything for my business within the Canva software. Canva has helped my business to appear more professional and put together. It has helped me to increase sales and to grow my business beyond what I could ever dream. Let's start out by talking about what exactly is Canva. If you don't already know, Canva is an online design tool that is super easy to use. You don't have to have any sort of graphic design experience or anything like that. It is super user-friendly. Even I can use it and I have zero graphic design experience. They also have thousands upon thousands of template options, everything between Etsy, Shopify, YouTube thumbnails. You can create just about anything on Canva, and they have templates that really help you to create any type of graphic that you're trying to create for your business. You can use Canva to make logos, flyers, social media marketing materials. It really is so handy in a small business because it helps you create tons of different graphics for your business all in one place. Canva does have a free version, which is really great and a great place to start out if you're just starting with Canva, but they also have a pro version, which is what I personally use because there are so many additional features that you don't get along with the free version, like having the ability to erase the background from photos for like mock-ups and things like that. That's a really good feature that they have. You also have access to higher quality fonts and templates, and then you have the ability to create file folders within your Canva account. That way you can keep all of your graphics organized. I love that feature because it's super easy for me to go in and just click on whatever folder I'm looking for, and then I have everything that I've created in that certain topic. Like all of my social media marketing posts are all in one folder. All of my like thank you cards and stickers are in one folder. You get the idea on that. I just have everything organized perfectly. That way I don't have to like rummage through all of these different graphics to try to find what I'm looking for. Canva Pro also gives you access to their brand toolkit, which I absolutely love. This is a game changer for my business because it gives me the ability to upload my brand fonts and colors directly into Canva, so they're there and easy for me to access as I create graphics for my business. Canva Pro also gives you the ability to use the magic resize feature, which I use all the time. This gives you the ability to take a graphic that you create and adjust the size of the image to fit whatever online program that you need it to, such as Etsy and things like that. I also use Canva to create my YouTube channel thumbnails and everything for my YouTube channel. I truly could go on and on about how much I love Canva and how much of a game changer it has been for my small business. Canva Pro is $12.99 per month, which is honestly, in my opinion, very worth it, especially if you're a small business owner and constantly adding new items to your site or your Etsy shop. This will help you to create beautiful graphics for your Etsy shop listings or your site listings, and then also for your social media marketing. This will help you create graphics and different posts to announce new launches to your shop. I do have a Canva affiliate link that I will leave down in the description box for you guys if you would like to sign up for Canva using my link. This really does help to support my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for doing that. It really does mean so much to me. Now let's go ahead and jump on into the ways that I use Canva in my small business. The very first thing that I did whenever I got my Canva account was create a logo for my business. And this was a little bit of trial and error. It took me a little while to kind of figure out exactly what I wanted my logo to look like. I already had an idea of what I wanted my brand colors to be, which are kind of like a light tan color, black and white. That's what I knew I wanted, and I also already knew the name of my business. So I just needed to figure out what fonts I wanted and the placement I wanted them to be in on my logo, which I am very happy with how it turned out. The second way that I use Canva, and the way that I use Canva the most often, is to create graphics for my website and for my Etsy listings. I know so many people have asked me questions about exactly how I make my graphics. I'm gonna do a follow-up video to this showing how I make my graphics within Canva. In that video, I'll show you guys exactly how I make all of the graphics for my listings. This will include the font options, the font colors, and then also my paint style graphics as well. There will be a few others added in there, but those are the three that I know I'm going to do for sure. These graphics help me to display to my customers the different font options that I have, the different paint colors that I have, and font colors as well. This is one of the #1 ways that I have been able to increase sales, which is adding these type of graphics to my Etsy listings. This makes it really easy for the customer to see everything that I offer. The next way that I use Canva is to create my Etsy shop banner, my YouTube banner, and then also to create graphics for my website. I like to use my Etsy shop banner as a way to display some of my best sellers within my shop, and then also a way to put my social media on there and my website information as well, along with the name of my business. That way anyone that is visiting my Etsy shop can get all of the information that they need right from my banner. I also added this graphic here to my website and all of my Etsy listings. I feel like this is a great way to make your listings more personal to the consumer and to yourself. That way, whenever someone sees something on your website or on your Etsy listing, they will see a picture of you, a little bit about yourself. You can say your name there, and then also put a little bit of extra information for them that could help them with placing their order. And then a thank you for them placing their order with me. Another way that I like to use Canva is to make graphics for my social media. So this could be anything from whenever I'm running a sale, all the way to just kind of giving information if I'm going on a break for a little while, or a just holiday announcement, or anything like that. Canva is a really great place to make graphics like that for your social media. I also like to use Canva to add text to photos. This is how I do a lot of my watermarking within Canva. And then also this is how I made my paint colors. I just took a picture of my paint options for my shop, and then I uploaded that into Canva, and I just went in and added the names of each color to the place where they needed to be. I have gotten so many questions about how I did that. I did make this paint chart within one of my other YouTube videos. I will link that in the cards here and then also down below for you guys. It was really so easy to do, and I love how it turned out. I also like to use Canva to design my thank you stickers and thank you cards. For my thank you stickers, I will design those in Canva and then print them here in my office. For my thank you cards, I will design those within Canva, and then I will download the designs to my computer and upload them into the Vistaprint website whenever I'm getting ready to place my order, and then I will let them print all of my thank you cards for me. Another design that I created in Canva is this one here. This is just a little thank you that I put in all of the boxes of my orders. And so I created this one in Canva, and then I print them out on my Rollo printer here in my office. The final way that I like to use Canva, and this is a more recent thing that I've been doing, is to display the acrylic shapes and sizes that I have for my wedding clients. Anyone that's ordering a larger bundle or package from me, I like to go in and send them the different shapes and sizes that I have in stock. That way they can go through and decide like what size they want for the welcome sign, and they can see like comparisons between the two different sizes that I have. They can see the different arch sizes that I have and things like that. That way they can go in and let me know how many they want of each size and shape, and then I can send them a quote that way. That's been one of the newer things that I've been doing within Canva, but it really has helped me to be more organized whenever I'm helping clients decide their wedding packages. Alright you guys, that is how I use Canva to help level up my small business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and do a follow-up video showing you guys exactly how I make a few of the graphics within my shop. I have gotten a lot of questions on how I make those, so I am very happy to make a video for you guys about that. I hope this video helps you guys to take your businesses to the next level. I encourage you to check out Canva if you are looking for a way to create beautiful graphics for your small business, and comment down below if you do already use Canva and let us know how you use it in your small business. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help me with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in a new video soon. Bye guys!